Session number 1, interpreting chest X-ray. In terms of the summary of what I'm going to go over, I'll essentially be looking at the fundamentals of what a chest X-ray is, how we take a chest X-ray film, and what the important things are to know about. The learning outcomes, at least back when I was at med school, are really vague on kind of what you actually need to know about chest X-ray. It's just kind of, as it is with many things, telling you to learn everything. So I think there are two important aspects, really. One is being able to assess the technical quality, and one is being able to assess pathology. Now, Sanat sent out a handout, and on that is essentially everything that I hope that you can take away from this session. And the whole point of it is to ensure that when you're in an exam or when you're on the ward and the consultant says, can you interpret this chest X-ray, you can do it in a systematic way. I don't think you'll necessarily be expected, even as fifth years, to be able to pick out every single pathology that's on there, but you need to be able to see when something's right, when something's wrong, and also have a think about why something might be wrong. And as we're going through this presentation, we'll discuss some of the common signs that you might see.